In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a value to a percentage in a bar graph using Tableau in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to fine-tune your skills, this tutorial will guide you through each step in a straightforward manner. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open Tableau. You can easily do this by either searching for Tableau in your preferred web browser to access the online version, or by launching the Tableau desktop application if you have it installed on your computer. Once you have Tableau open, make sure to log in to your account. If you haven't already signed up, take a moment to create an account. It's quick and easy. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to open a worksheet within your Tableau workbook. A workbook can have several worksheets, and it's where all your data visualizations live. This is where we're going to make the magic happen. With your worksheet open, start by identifying the dimension that you want to analyze. A dimension could be anything like categories, segments, or regions that you would like to break down into percentages. Drag this dimension to either the rows or the columns shelf. For example, if you're working with sales data, you might want to drag category to the columns shelf, and now drag the measure you wish to analyze, such as sales, to the opposite shelf, rows. This arrangement sets the foundation for your bar graph. Next, move over to the marks card. Here, you'll find the measure you just dragged onto the shelf, usually represented as something like sum sales or a similar measure name based on your dataset. It's visible right there on the card. Now, here's the crucial step to convert those values into percentages. On the marks card, look for a small drop-down arrow next to your measure. Clicking this arrow will reveal several options. From this menu, navigate to Quick Table Calculation. Hover over this option and a few more choices will appear. What you're looking for is percent of total. Selecting this option transforms the values displayed in your bar graph into percentages, making your data visualization more insightful and easier to interpret. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your values into percentages on a bar graph in Tableau. Remember, this simple transformation provides clearer insight into how components contribute to the whole, making your data analysis more meaningful. If any of these steps seem challenging at first, don't hesitate to replay this tutorial and go over them again. With a bit of practice, you'll become proficient in leveraging Tableau for your data visualization needs. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing.